Why is my Python App Engine app using the Translate API getting an error of import error, no module named apiclient.discovery? I got this error in Google App Engine's Python have used Google Translate API, but I don't know how to fix. I'll try to set environment which indicates to Google App Engine SDK, and upload to Google Apps Engine again, always get the error. Error, server error. The server encountered an error and could not complete your request. If the problem persists, please report your problem and mention this error message in the query that caused it. Please tell me how to fix. Thanks. Update, fixed. Follow Nigen's help. I fix problems by adding the following folders: apiclient, flags, pyplib2, OAuth2 client, Eurotemplate. If you still got problem, please consider below answer of this page to get more info. X, verum answer, etc.
You should be able to get these dependencies with this simple install. This is described on the Quick Start page for Python.
APClient was the original name of the library. At some point, it was switched over to be Google APClient. If your code is running on Google App Engine, both should work. If you are running the application yourself, with the Google API Python client installed, both should work as well. Although, if we take a look at the source code of the APClient packages _init_.py module, we can see that the APClient module was simply kept around for backwards compatibility. Retain APClient as an alias for Google APClient. So, you really should be using Google APClient in your code, since the APClient alias was just maintained as to not break legacy code.
If none of the above solutions work for you, consider if you might have installed Python through Anaconda. If this is the case, then installing the Google API library with Conda might fix it. Run. If you get something like, then try. As Gooder has pointed out in a comment, you might need to specify the channel, think repository, to get the Google API library. At the time of writing, this means running the command. See more at this URL.
APClient is not in the list of third-party libraries supplied by the App Engine runtime, this URL. You need to copy APClient into your project directory, and you need to copy these Eurotemplate and pyplib2 too. Note, any third-party library that are not supplied in the documentation list must copy to your App Engine project directory.